Valenzuela Junior Classic. Guard number 25, Gion Concebito. Also guard number 23, Miguel Cabarco.
Fast-paced game and yet no success for both teams. No?
Oo. Straight away, three.
Yeah.
There you go. Naghahanap ng success. Yun na, the straight away three by Concebido. Gio knocking it down para sa Valenzuela.
Oh. And there is
Oh,
an offensive foul called against Pili. Siya pa yung bumaksak doon.
yun. Yeah, referees. First, no? Basically, partner, when Concebido committed his second foul and had to sit out, parang nawala yung rhythm nitong Valenzuela Junior Progress. They started great in this game, no? Now full court press now. Ito na yung nakita natin kanina sa 18 na under being implemented by the Shoemasters. He will try to go left. Wisely, back to Gion. Oh, what a play by Gion! And drawing the defense.
Drive and dish.
Yes. At sabi ni Apolinarang, sarap ng dish mo, Gion.
Oh.
Samantala.
No, yung build niya, body build niya. Talaga reminds me of Dodong Postanes.
Oh. In the meantime, there's a getaway from Gion.
Oh, yeah. And a back in harness,
Yes.
Concebido. No? Kanina, dalawang fouls kaagad yung binigay niya. That's why he was pulled out early. We've
By
been seeing
Molek
a
Lim.
lot of those, no?
Right. Samantala, meron din naman mga fast break ang home team, Valenzuela Junior Progress. Getting it done on the break courtesy of Concebido.
3. Oo, si Concebido naman had 5 points. Apolin.
Later on, itong si Daphne Cristobal will have a very interesting report again. Kita ko siya na galing na naman sa bench. May napulot na naman yun. Samantala, that baseline J is good. The perimeter partner.
Yeah. And the solid defender din to,
Yes.
si Rojas. Oh, the steal.
Here is Gion all the way
yeah.
to the bucket.
Showing that he can do it at both ends of the floor, not his Gio Concebido.
And despite his
Oh yeah, forcing another turnover there.
And despite his 2 fouls, he is continuing to be aggressive on defense, no? Drive right there, pero offline yung tira ni Ortiz.
Oh, parang kontra-tempo no, si Ortiz eh.
But they get the ball back. Lawrence for 3!
Oh yeah, Rojas.
Wow!
Well, that defense is very much evident in the second half. As we've seen quite a number of times that they were able to complete a steal.
And
yun na nga ang nangyari, no? Di ba kanina nakita naman natin doon sa interior defense, doon
by redefining beauty, Pound Active for quality sportswear, Red Dynasty Seafood and Hot Pot Restaurant, Winford Resort and Casino Manila. And now fourth quarter underway. Ayman too deep underneath. Ilang offensive rebounds and tries yun, partner.
Oh, steal there.
Right, and Ayman right now all alone. And again, the effort on the defensive end by Gion Concebido. The credit half of that bucket to Gion, partner. Hindi niya tinigilan yung depensa. As another miss by Marikina from inside. Now here comes the Junior Progress. Gion. All four spread across the board. Now here's Gion. To Sariaga. Now Cabuello. Back to Gion. The pick and Marikina trying to do a knockout play. Pero sila yung nanakawan doon. And Gion controls it. Molek Lim back in the game para sa Marikina to match up against Gion. Rojas fires another 3. That one was short though. Ayman slow to get back on defense. Wenceslao.
Spotted.
Right. And that turnover could prove costly para dito sa Valenzuela Junior Progress. Yeah. Si Concebido will now pick up that loose ball ahead to JPE.
Siyempre, yung sequences nakita natin, no? Marikina's fluid team offensive game against the Mr. One-Man show of Valenzuela. And here he goes again.
Oh, they have 14 seconds to put up a shot.
Oh,
Is that a
back
corner
pass.
shot? That's right. And JP Ayman is alone for the Lion. And Valenzuela leads 63-62. 13 seconds remaining. Mariano streaking to the front court. Pulls up. No. Pili almost got it the rebound. Ball is still loose. 2-3 bodies diving for the ball. And Ayman comes up with it. With 1 second remaining.
And this game
Wow.
is Ayman's.
Not really enough time to set up a shot. No? Tip in nga lang yan.
Here comes the deliberate miss. And
And wow, Valenzuela Junior Classics pulls off a victory.